These are the elevators at the Marriott in Tampa, Florida. Let's go up to 27. You can also enter your floor in a keypad here. Here we are in 27. Let's get a little bit of a, let's just get a view out. There's the Westin over there. And all that is Tampa Bay. And I believe way out there in the distance, you can see St. Pete. All right, let's call in our elevator. Let's press the keypad. Star, I think, is 1. Yeah. And then it automatically selects it. Except on second thought, let's go at 2, because these elevators actually open up pretty close to the front desk, and I figure I might as well not get busted while I'm here. And yeah, there's a good chance I wouldn't, but still. Yeah. Here's a little cab view. Again, here, there's no physical buttons except for those. Alright, let's call another one. Here's a little look at the lobby of the hotel. And we got this one right here.
Going up or down?
I'm up, 27. Alright, let's end the video down at the lobby. Again, you can press 1, and I think that still takes you to the lobby. Actually, it says access denied. I wonder why. Is it maybe something like, say, for example, there's no 13th floor. If you hit 13, it says access denied. Probably because there is no such floor. Like, say, what if you hit 28? There is no floor 28. So yeah, I guess 1 doesn't work, you have to hit star.